One of the important thing is when you're traveling to Singapore, make sure you fill the Singapore arrival card. Now I'll explain you how I got this Easy Link tourist pass. Quickly come to 7-Eleven and take your SIM from here. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we all are super excited because we are traveling to Singapore for our vacation. And just before this flight, I got so sick. For past 3 days, I was so sick and I could not do so much of the research. But Alhamdulillah, I have enough research already done for this trip. In this Singapore series, I will cover basically all the information that you guys need to know before traveling to Singapore. I will share everything, the immigration process, the hotel, how to use the transportation, most important thing, because taxi in Singapore is so expensive. I will see you today when I reached airport. The first thing they told me is to do the Singapore arrival card. One of the important thing is when you're traveling to Singapore, make sure you fill the Singapore arrival card, SG arrival card. I'll put the link in the description below. You can fill that in advance because I did not fill it. I thought I'll go to Singapore and I'll fill it over there. But then when I arrived at the immigration counter, they said me in Bahrain itself that you have to fill it now. And when I filled the whole document, I was not receiving an email with a barcode, in which I lost almost 1 hour waiting for the email. So it took a bit of time. So make sure you fill it at your home itself. And after that, we went to Al Baik. We got our food and then these people ate Al Baik in the plane. My first flight was from Bahrain to Jeddah, which was a small flight, and I did not get much time to review that flight because it was jam-packed and we were so tired also. And as I told you, I'm sick as well. So I was just trying to get little more energy and get more settled. And now we have arrived at Jeddah Airport, which is so hot. I don't know why their AC is not working. Like we are literally sweating, like bathing in our sweat. It's that hot over here. And this guy, he's running. Are you excited? Ghanem, you flew in how many planes?
Two.
Two?
One.
So excited about this trip. That first thing which I went and grabbed was AirTag for these two naughty people. So come over here, I'll show you. This is the AirTag for Ghanem. And this is the AirTag for my daughter, and I will show you how to use it. God forbids, in case your children are lost or anything, it will be much easier to track them. But some of the features are only available with the Wi-Fi. So make sure your phone is connected to the net or it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Guys, all you have to do is go to Find My, and under that you go to Items. So I have like my keys, Amina and Ghanem. These are my kids. So I click over here and it shows airplane mode. Some features are not available, but I can still play a sound. So now our second flight from Jeddah till Singapore, which is going to be for 9 hours and 5 minutes of the flight time. It is going to be a much bigger flight and I will give you a detailed review about that flight. I will even let you know later in the video how much I paid for this flight because I got a really good deal on this flight, as 5 of us are flying, in which 2 adults, 2 kids and 1 infant. Woo! Not even like this. Woo! Like this flight.
Guys, we're going to house.
No, we are going Singapore.
We're going to Singapore. Hi guys, we're going to travel.
الحقائق في الممرات أو عندما خارج الطوارئ. لسلامتكم يجب وضع الأجهزة الإلكترونية المحمولة مثل الهاتف المحمول والأجهزة اللوحية وأجهزة الكمبيوتر المحمولة على.
So Ghanem is super excited. What did you get, Ghanem? Wow, this bag. Minion bag. Okay, show me what all you got.
Cabo.
Oh, color book. Oh, charger also. Wow.
I had it.
Oh wow, one keychain also. The only airline in the world that offers a praying area. Up to 8 people can pray in this area.
Bye bye, Bahrain.
Bye bye, darling.
So guys, Ghanem is excited. He's watching Arathi. And Alhamdulillah, I'm almost 6 feet tall. And there is still enough legroom over here. And then there is one good thing, is this footrest thing. So once you make it down. So guys, now we got this kit. It's a sleeping kit. I'll show you what is there inside. Harib, can you show what is there inside? So we have earplugs. We have socks. We have toothbrush and toothpaste. Eye mask. The food was just average on the plane and we got Italian pizza, juice and chocolate muffin, which was delicious. Let me explain you our journey from this map. So you can see Bahrain is right over there. So we took a flight from Bahrain all the way till Jeddah. From Jeddah we had 3 hours break, okay? And then from Jeddah we are going back again almost the same route so we can go Singapore. And I don't know, for some reason this flight is the most affordable one compared to the direct flights from Bahrain, which should be the cheapest. After that I went on a back seat which was empty and slept for 5 hours peacefully.
Go to landing.
Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing so many container ships when we are going to land. And that's why Singapore remains the world's leading maritime hub according to multiple global survey. The reason why I love Saudi Airline is because there is no alcohol and there is a special dedicated praying area for us. Yalla go, Ghanem. Where did we reach, Ghanem?
Singapore.
Yeah. We just landed in Singapore and it is raining heavily. If you can see, it's raining heavily. So maybe some of our activities or plan has to be cancelled. Maybe we might have to cancel Universal Studio. Now we'll go to hotel first and then decide what we'll do. Right now we are at Terminal 3. So Changi Airport basically has 4 terminals. Terminal 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the Terminal 4 is the farthest terminal. So guys, the first thing when you land in any airport is you want to just get out of the airport as soon as possible. But here at Singapore in the Changi Airport, there are so many amazing things. There is the biggest fountain and so many other activities that you want to do. So people just come and stay over here for 6 hours or 8 hours. That is the reason why we are also going to do that whole activity day and kept in our itinerary one day just to explore the Changi Airport. So yesterday we left our home at 4 p.m. and today we reached over here around at 11 a.m. So almost 17 hours of flight time. So now the kids are also super tired. So in this video, the goal is to give as much information as it is possible. So I will be sharing information about immigration, SIM card, taxi, public transport, because we as a family, we will be taking public transport because that is the best option in Singapore and it is the cheapest option. So I will show you everything as we move forward. So now let's go and collect our baggage and then I will tell you what all things happen. So guys, now we are going to arrivals section to collect our luggage and there are 2 ways. You can either walk all the way from there. So from there you can walk or you can take SkyTrain. So my kids, they just love trains, plane, everything, every mode of transportation. So that's why we are going to take the SkyTrain and I will show you how the SkyTrain looks like. Guys, my son is super excited to go in the train. You want to go in the train? Because so many airports we have visited and there is no train over there.
Yay!
Okay. Go hold Baba's hand. Lick this.
As I have told you before also, it's very important for you to fill the SG arrival card. So for us, for many people, it is they come over here and they can fill, it's fine. But for us in Bahrain, they told us that we have to fill right over there. So we have already filled our SG card over there and we have received an email and now we will be going for immigration. And over here, guys, these are the countries for which they have automated immigration. The famous Jewel is located at Terminal 3. So we are at Terminal 3 now. And behind you can see me, there is the Jewel. But this Jewel is not for everyone. It's for basically people who have Singapore visa. And for the countries which allow to visit Singapore free or on visit on arrival, for those people, they can enter direct to Jewel. So right now, we are not going to enter over here because we are going to come on our last day when we are flying to Malaysia. That's the day when I'll explain you everything about the Changi Airport in detail, what are the best attractions and what are the paid attractions that you should do over here. And once you come over here and you did not fill your SG arrival cards, you can go to that section. Over there, they have provided free internet and there are even staff who will help you with filling this all details and information. And if you have already done, like we have already done our SG arrival, yes, we are directly going toward the immigration. Immigration, if you are traveling with kids, there is a special lane for the people who are coming with family, with kids, or for pregnant lady, there is a special lane. So we got that special lane. So our immigration got done very quickly. We just had to give our thumbprint and picture was taken. That's it. After that, we came and took our luggage. And now we are going to take public transport to our hotel and I'll show you the whole thing, how we doing it. So guys, here there are the rates of regular taxi, which is 30 to 45 Singapore dollar. Then you have the bus, and the most cheapest of them is train and bus. My video is always about information, and in this video I will show you how to reach your hotel in the cheapest way. So today I'll be going to take a train, MRT train, and it is just going to take me near my hotel itself. And I checked for the SIM, it was 50 Singaporean dollar over here for 100 GB. And if we go outside and buy that same SIM from any 7-Eleven, it will be around 10 to 12 dollars. And that's why I did not buy any SIM over here. I will buy later and show you the price difference. Now we are heading towards MRT and let's see how much is for the EasyLink card. All that details I'll show you. Now the ticket for kids for public transport is free. You have to get for them a concession card. So instead of going direct to MRT station, go to Terminal 2 station and from there we have to cross all the way towards the end and then get down to the same MRT spot. And then from there we can apply for the kids because my two kids are below 6. I will apply for them a concession transportation card. And once we get that, we will take MRT to hotel and clean everything. Now I'll explain you how I got this EasyLink tourist pass. So if you're traveling with kids and kids are below 6 years, they will get these cards for free. But all you have to do is come over here to this counter and bring your passport, the passport of the kids, and they'll issue for them 2 free cards. I mean, because for me 2 kids are there, so I got 2 free cards. And this is the EasyLink card. This card you can use on all the mode of transportation, which is bus, train, and monorail. And the price of this card is $10. And inside you'll get $5 on this card. So what I have done is I have added more $20 onto this. So guys, this is how their network looks like. And this is the green line. So right now we are here at the Changi Airport and our hotel is here at Lavender Station. So now we'll have to go from here to Tanah Merah and I think then from here we have to change again to EW4 and that will take us all the way to Lavender. And from here our hotel is just 40 meters away. So I hope I have given lots of information and you will not find any difficulty. Now we'll board the train and I'll show you till we reach our hotel how it is. One more thing I wanted to tell you, the thing which you see over here like capsule shape, this is the interchanging line. So for example, when you're on the green line and you want to go onto the blue line, so you come to this station which is Bugis, this is the interchanging station. You get down over here and you can take the blue line. And same way if you want to get onto the purple line, you go to this station. So guys, we have 3 bags, 1, 2, 3,
And 3 kids.
and 3 kids, so many things, and still we are using.
Okay, baby.
My hotel is on Lavender Station. That's why right now we are here at Changi Airport. We go to Expo. Here we get down, and then we take this green line all the way till Lavender.
Peekaboo. 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 Peekaboo.
Kami na, eh. Hey, Ghanem.
Hello, how you doing, baby?
Next station, Kembangan.
Alhamdulillah, we have reached our Lavender Station. From here, our hotel is just 40-50 meters away, and we'll go hotel. We are super tired. It's been almost 20 hours we are on this journey. So inshallah, let's go to the hotel. The trip till here was super smooth. So I would recommend for anyone to take metro because it's very cheap option. So I did this trip with my kids and it was super smooth. So if you're alone, solo or with family and want to do this similar trip, it is much easier because I just paid $2 per person to reach till over here. So guys, we just came out of the metro, and in same metro station there is 7-Eleven. So directly come to 7-Eleven and take your SIM from here. Because as I showed you at airport, 100 GB they were giving for 50 Singaporean dollar. Whereas over here we got it just for $14, and at the same time he activated the SIM for us, and all you have to give is your passport, and he'll scan the passport and he will activate the SIM, and you'll get your 100 GB data and 20 minutes international call as well. And I'll put the screenshot of that thing. So we are staying at Hotel V Lavender, and once you get down on the metro itself, it shows you Hotel V Lavender. And let me show you where is the metro. The metro station is literally down of this hotel. So we just walked like 20-meter heartbeat over there. You see, that is the metro station. So guys, this is our beautiful room, and have a look. What an amazing view from here. This is the city view. So we had chosen this hotel and taken city view room. So make sure when you're booking, if you want to book in this same hotel, make sure you choose the city view option. One most important thing, let's check there is jet spray in the toilet or no.
No, I
Oh
should.
no, there is no jet spray.
She'll fall down. Amina, don't, no hitting, no hitting. Naughty baby. Today, where did you go?
Airport.